I joined the United States military in 2006. I joined airborne infantry, ended up deploying to Iraq. I'd gotten out of the military. I had come home and I was doing construction. Knew I had the GI Bill, so I wanted to at least explore that as an option. So I did some part-time classes at a local community college. And then my cousin, he had told me, hey, you should go check out, New York Creates. So I went there kind of, as a 24-year-old, not really knowing much about semiconductors, and seeing, the new extreme ultraviolet lithography tool that was being put in. And it was at that point that I realized that semiconductors weren't going anywhere. Their relevance in computer chips is only going to expand. So I actually, at that point, made the decision to apply to go to college at the academic umbrella branch of New York Creates. The challenges were several. One of them was culturally. The skills of being able to accomplish things with little direction and whatnot, those are transferable, but a lot of the cultural and the technical skills are not. You have private companies that are coming to public institutions to create structures, to create programs that are exactly as you described them, registered under the Department of Labor, through academic institutions, to codify kind of the standards and the base level of knowledge in this industry that's required. I think New York Creates is a great place for that. The apprenticeship program is geared towards taking those motivated and skilled individuals that may not have skills in this particular field, but cultivating that general kind of intelligence in order to propel them in this new career that they're going to have. If you want to be in high-tech manufacturing environment, there isn't a better place to start. Any veteran who's looking to continue working in technology and working with equipment, and working with smart people, I would say it's a great opportunity to pursue an apprenticeship program here. I would say the most rewarding thing is having the opportunity to help people grow in their career, but also in their life. This part of their life is tumultuous, confusing, filled with opportunity, but a lot of obstacles as well. When you see the apprentices kind of eyes light up, when you've shown them something that really piques and sparks their interest, and that you've got them hooked in a way, right? They see the excitingness and the beauty of the industry and just physics, the universe in general. So yeah, I would say having the opportunity to really spark people's passions is probably the most rewarding thing.